Okay, so hello everyone, this is Shrishti Gupta from the shrishtigupta.co.in and welcome to my first webinar which is on an overview of digital marketing, which is going to be an basic and fundamentals of digital marketing, and basically it's for beginners. So don't worry that it's going to be very big technical as it sounds like. So it's very basic and it's going to be very fundamental about digital marketing and the basics I'm going to cover. So I've kept very easy, very basic to as being the first webinar. So let's begin. So as the people are joining, we should start with the agenda of this webinar. So what we are going to cover, basically what we are going to have a look at. So let's begin. So here we have the agenda of this video. So we are going to study what is digital marketing basically and the difference between traditional and digital marketing. What is the basic difference between the previous way of marketing and now the coming future, which is going to be very online and digital mechanism with the help of. So what is the difference, a basic difference between them, and how it's going to change the concept of marketing, overall concept of marketing. Then we have tools of digital marketing in which it is very vast. So we are going to cover with the basics. Then we have role of digital marketing to a company. This is very crucial as digital marketing is going to play a crucial step in a company in the future. So then we have role of digital marketer. What is the role of digital marketer and all? Then we have in earnings from digital marketing job. What are the digital marketing jobs and what are the earnings from them? Then we have future of digital marketing, how it's going to be the concept of marketing and all as we discussed. Then we have how to kickstart your career in digital marketing, the basic career in digital marketing if a person wants to start. And here it's going to be a bonus tip for you all. So I hope that you stay tuned and let's begin. So let's start. Okay, so what is basically digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop, mobiles and smartphones, tablets, and other digital medias and platforms to promote your goods and services. The basic concept of marketing is to promote your goods and services to the people and population which you want to target, your target audience basically. So digital marketing refers to advertising delivered through digital channels, for example, which includes search engines, websites, social media, emails, and furthermore, like mobile apps and etc. and numbers of things. So this is the basic concept of digital marketing. The basic is the marketing, which means promotion of goods and services done digitally with the help of digital technologies. And here are the examples of the sum. So I hope this is clear that it's not so technical and it's basic. So write clear in the chat box if it's clear what is the meaning of digital marketing. Okay, all right. So let's move further quickly and look upon the traditional and digital marketing differences. Yeah. Okay. So the main difference between traditional and digital marketing is the channel which an audience encounters their digital marketing messages. So there are difference between the channels of digital channels and the traditional ones. Traditional ones occupies and includes basically magazines, televisions, radio, billboards, newspapers, which we already know that you used to see advertisement and promotion of goods and services in the newspapers and magazines about, but you didn't recognize that it's advertising promoting for goods. So in digital, how can we promote is SEO, which means search engine optimization. Yeah. Then we have search engine marketing, which is paid one, and this is the organic one, SEO. Then we have content marketing. Content marketing has a bright future in the coming market, as content is going to influence and convince people for particular companies, goods and services. Social media marketing is very going on in the trending one. Then we have websites. These are some channels. Then we have cost. The other the differences points of difference are here. In the first we have cost. Traditional marketing is very expensive, whereas digital marketing is cost effective and economic. Then we have reach. Traditional marketing looks for customers, whereas digital marketing looks for you. It looks for personal branding. It's look for you with your goods and services. The digital marketing first focuses on the personal branding, basically, which we are going to discuss further in our video. So yeah, then we have coverage. Traditional marketing has limited audience coverage, whereas digital marketing has sufficient audience to cover. As we all are occupied with digital apps and devices mechanisms, so it's very easy for digital marketing to like target their audiences, and it's cover a huge number of coverage and populations under there. Then we have duration and impact. Traditional marketing has limited duration and impact, whereas digital marketing has long duration and impact, as it covers as digital marketing has higher reach and coverage to cover. So as the name suggests, it's basically going to have a wider range of duration and impact. You know? So then we have qualifications. Traditional marketing can be used and practiced by anyone. It can be done by anyone. But for digital marketing, a person needs to be qualified. It's very basic, as the tools and mechanisms and etc. things are not so easy like traditional marketing, and that anybody can go to the market field and do selling and marketing. Basically, for digital marketing, you need to have a digital qualification, you need to have the knowledge about it. So it's very crucial. Then we have extra charges and all. Extra charges. Digital marketing charges extra for grading ads and etc. things, but there is no such charges, extra charges for digital marketing. So it is so interesting and economic. Don't you think so? So this was it for this session. I hope you get this difference between traditional and I'm so sorry, difference between traditional and digital marketing. So I hope it's clear. Please let me know in the checkbox that it's clear, and let's move on to the next session. Till then, okay. So then we have the most crucial part, that is tools of digital marketing. Under this, we have SEO, first of all, which is very important, as we are all occupied and overall covered with the search engines like Google, as everybody knows. So let's look on basically what is digital marketing. Sorry, SEO. I'm so sorry. So SEO is the process of optimizing your websites to rank higher in search engine results pages, thereby increasing the amount of organic, which is free traffic to your website, which your website receives. So it's free basically, and it's organic to to have your product websites and all at the higher rate is search engine optimization. Basically, when you google something about anything, so you refer the first five links uh, which are rated by people at a higher. So because you think that it's very organic, and the majority of the people must have linked to, so it will be authentic and honest one, so you refer that Basically, that is SEO. So there are three categories under SEO, which covers on the page SEO, off the page SEO, and technical SEO. On the page SEO, this type of SEO focuses on all over the content that exists on the page when looking at the website, which we look on the page uh, website, that is on page website, uh, whereas SEO, which focuses on all the content that exists off the page when looking to optimize your website, is basically off page website SEO. Then we have a technical SEO. This type of SEO focuses on the back end behind the behind your website basically, and how your pages are coded are done by technical SEO. Yeah. Then we have next as content marketing. Under content marketing, you must be sorry, very much familiar with the blog post, ebooks, and white pages. What are infographics? Yeah, sorry. Infographics are a form of visual content that helps website visitors visualize a concept that you want to help them learn. Basically, when you go to a website and see a visual content telling about their product, that are infographics, and it's very effective because it said that when you see, you remember better instead of you when you read. So infographics are sorry, infographics are very effective. Then next we have social media marketing. It's basically includes Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest, and etc. social media accounts where you promote your goods and services with paid or organic forms. With the help of Google Analytics, you promote your goods and services in social media marketing. Yeah, then we have SEM, that is social search engine marketing, and PPC, where you can where you have paid sort of marketing, which is paid ads on Facebook, Twitter ads campaigns, sponsored messages on LinkedIn. These are all paid off marketing which you can do for having a higher rate of your website on search engines. So these are some, and then we have affiliate marketing. Okay. Okay, then we have affiliate marketing. This is a type of performance-based advertising where you receive commission for promoting someone else's products or services on your website. Basically, when you promote goods and services of other person, you get real commission. Is affiliate marketing, which is affiliated, as the name suggests. So it has two categories: posting video ads, posting affiliate links. Hosting video ads is through via YouTube partner program, and posting affiliate links is via social media accounts where you link social media accounts when through your marketing post and blog post. You put a social media account for your references and promotional basics. Yeah, then we have marketing automation. So marketing automation basically refers to software that serves to automate your basic marketing operations. Many marketing departments can automate repetitive tasks they would otherwise do manually. In this, we have email newsletters, social media post scheduling, lead nurturing workflows, campaign tracking, and reporting. These are the marketing automation which is done automatically when you go for a search and but do not transact for it. So repeatedly when the messages of when the post and recommendations are being coming, that is done through marketing automations. Then we have email marketing. Email marketing is the marketing done with mails and electronic mails you must have heard of. So this includes blog subscription newsletters, follow-up emails to website visitors who downloaded something, customer welcome emails, holiday promotions to loyalty program members, tips or similar series of emails for customer nurturing. So these are the marketing done through via email. Then we have online personal relation. This includes reporter outreach via social media, engaging online reviews of your companies, engaging comments on your personal website or blog. For marketing purpose, you need to have public relations. You need to connect with customers. So uh, when you manage your customers' personal maintain your public relations online. So these are some of the factors which you can include, which includes. Okay. Then we have inbound marketing. Okay. Inbound marketing refers to a marketing methodology wherein you attract, engage, and delight customers at every stage of the buyer's journey. You can use every digital marketing tactics listed above. As they are listed above, I'm going to tell you about throughout an inbound marketing strategy to create a customer experience that works with the customers, not against them. So these are some of the inbound marketing which is inbounded. So these are blogging versus pop-up ads, video marketing versus commission advertising, email contents list, and email spams. Then next we have as sponsored content, which is sponsored by someone else to promote your goods and services. So these includes influencer marketing basically when you influence particular person to promote which you seems to be like convincing and promote your goods and services. So you sponsor your content to promote your goods and services is basically done by influencer, which is called influencer marketing, and that is sponsored content is the tool of digital marketing. So basically, we see marketing through various digital mechanisms done is under digital marketing, and there are various under depth mechanisms too. But as we have to cover the basics, so these are the basics. I hope it's clear. I know I did, as it's my first webinar, I could not do better, but yeah, I tried my best, and these are the marketing methods of marketing tools of marketing basically done online with the help of digital mechanisms, and the paid forms are also included, free forms are also included. So this was all from my side for the tools of digital marketing. Let's move further and discuss about the roles of digital marketing to a company. So it's very crucial. We have website traffic, then we have content performance, lead generation, and attribution modeling. Okay, website traffic basically increase traffic to your companies, your website. Content performance, improving performance of your content, helping you to generate leads and prospects for your company. Attribution modeling, it refers to effective digital marketing strategy combined with the right tools and technologies allowed you to trace all the sales back to a customer's first digital touch point with your business. So these are the crucial digital marketing to a company roles, which is crucial for for increasing traffic, improving the performance of the content, generating leads and prospect, and attribution for the right tools and equipment required for the sales, promotion, and services. So I hope it's very easy and basic that our marketing role of marketing also covers, but these are covered digitally. So let's move further and discuss about the role of digital marketer. What are the roles of digital marketing? So the basic role of digital marketing is brand awareness. It has to aware about the brand, products, and the services of a company digitally. So the basic role of digital marketer is to have a brand awareness. Then the next is lead generation. Lead generation plays a crucial role for digital marketing to generate rules to convince lead prospects for the company. Then we have KPI. This means for key prospect indicators, which key performance indicators basically, which indicates the performance of the company. Then we have on the basis of size that are to be covered. Uh, Then we have earnings from digital marketing jobs. So basically, it depends upon your skills and work you do and you want to pursue. So there are various jobs, but uh, I am only covering the three basics ones, which include digital marketing analyst, digital marketing freelancer, and digital marketing manager. Analysts have 3 lakhs per month earnings. Then freelancers can have 4 lakhs and managers can have up to 8 to 9 lakhs of earnings, which depends upon their skills and work they do. Then we have future of digital marketing. It's very wider and broader. Most powerful tools of marketing is the digital marketing. So it's going to impact very powerfully. So digital marketing is very dynamic. It depends upon the artificial intelligence, algorithm, and other technologies, and it reaches affluent population. So how to kickstart your career is the next step, and we are at the end of a week of a webinar. So this includes the bonus tip, which is to join the DDIP, the Digital Marketing Internship Program, and it's very uh, important and crucial for your career to start your career in digital marketing. So I like that you join this, and that's all from my side. I hope to get the overview of digital marketing and how it is important for every person. And okay, so that's all from my side. I'll see you in the next session where we are going to discuss in depth about digital marketing. So yeah, that's all from my side for this video, and it was my first webinar. So my side sound very nervous. So yeah. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching and attending this webinar, guys. Thanks.